Welcome to my YouTube channel Hindustan Times. Today we bring you a vision of the future, a masterpiece of power and design. The AbramsX Tank from the United States. This is not simply another battle machine, this is the next step in armored warfare. A tank that combines tradition with innovation, strength with intelligence, and raw power with elegance. When you first see the AbramsX, it feels less like a weapon and more like a monument, a giant born of steel and technology, designed to lead the battlefield of tomorrow. The AbramsX is presented in a stunning light white finish, polished and refined, shining under every angle as if it has been sculpted to impress not only the soldiers who will use it, but also the world that watches it. Light glides across its surface, highlighting the curves of its armor, the edges of its turret, and the massive tracks that support its weight. It is a machine that does not just stand still, even in silence it radiates authority, presence, and dominance. Every detail reflects precision, from the brackets at the front that gleam like steel jaws to the advanced optics that sparkle with the promise of intelligence. This tank is not only about size, though its scale alone inspires awe. It is about what it represents. For decades, the Abrams has been the backbone of American armored forces, but the AbramsX is a leap forward, carrying that legacy into the future with a new design and new capabilities. It uses hybrid electric power, a revolutionary step that reduces fuel consumption, increases efficiency, and allows quieter movement on the battlefield. It is faster, smarter, and more adaptable than any Abrams before it, and its white shining presence reflects this rebirth, this evolution into something greater. Look closer, and you see the unmanned turret, sleek and modern, a bold shift in design philosophy. It shows that the AbramsX is not just repeating the past but rewriting the rules. The sensors and targeting systems gleam with precision, giving the tank the eyes and intelligence it needs to dominate the modern battlefield. The armor, thick and refined, reflects not only the lights above but also the promise of protection for those inside. Its tracks, massive and strong, look like chains of polished strength, ready to crush obstacles and carry this giant across any terrain. As you take in its full form, you realize the AbramsX is more than just hardware. It is a story of progress, a vision of the future told through steel, light, and power. The glowing white color sets it apart from the camouflage we are used to, giving it an almost ceremonial presence. It looks futuristic, almost like it belongs not just to the battlefield but to an exhibition of innovation. Its elegance does not take away from its strength, rather, it enhances it, reminding us that true power can be both beautiful and unstoppable. From the front, the AbramsX stands like a fortress, a wall of shining steel. From the side, it stretches long and graceful, a design that balances bulk with flow. From above, its turret and body create a shape that speaks of intelligence and control. No matter the angle, it demands respect. It is a giant, but it is also a masterpiece. The AbramsX also represents the merging of old and new. It carries the legacy of the Abrams family, trusted and proven through decades of service, but it also pushes forward with innovations that redefine what a tank can be. Artificial intelligence support, advanced networking, and improved situational awareness make it not just a vehicle of power but a hub of information, capable of operating in the digital age of warfare. It is a symbol of how tradition can evolve, how strength can be reborn in a new form. Standing in the light, shining with elegance, the AbramsX feels alive. Its surfaces shimmer, its presence fills the space, and even without motion it seems ready to roll forward into history. It is not only a machine of war, it is also a message. It says that the United States is ready for the future, ready to lead with strength, with technology, and with vision. The AbramsX is not just another tank, it is the next icon, the next legend in a line of armor giants. As you watch, the brilliance of its polished white armor continues to glow. The reflections make it feel timeless, as though it has stepped out of the future into the present. Its size dominates the space, yet its refinement makes it look graceful. The AbramsX is proof that even in machines built for battle, there is room for art, for elegance, and for inspiration. This is the AbramsX, the future of American power, a machine that shines with strength, radiates innovation, and stands as a symbol of progress. It is the union of light and steel, of tradition and technology, of power and precision. And as it stands here, gleaming with brilliance, it tells the world one thing very clearly: the future has arrived.